Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a specialized TOEFL reading challenge, the Complete the Words task. I will show you how to use the surrounding context to decode missing vocabulary and maintain the logical flow of a passage. Let's sharpen those analytical skills and get you ready for test day. If you find these strategies helpful, make sure to subscribe to my TOEFL and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. We begin with the opening sentence of our passage, which sets the stage for the entire topic. Read this carefully as it provides the essential context you will need to solve the upcoming blanks. The iconic Eiffel Tower was originally built to serve as the magnificent main entrance for the World's Fair back in 1889. This sentence establishes the historical origin of the Eiffel Tower, identifying it as a structure originally built for a specific event. By mentioning the World's Fair, the author clarifies that its primary function was to act as a magnificent main entrance, grounding the passage in a specific time and purpose. Next, we look at a sentence that describes the initial reception of the structure. Pay attention to the contrast between the early reactions and its eventual status. Although many local artists initially hated the metal design, it quickly became a famous symbol of French national pride. The author highlights a shift in perception, noting that while local artists at first hated the look, the tower's status transformed. It evolved from a controversial metal design into a powerful symbol of national pride, showing how public opinion can change over time. Now, we examine the current state of the tower. This sentence connects the historical facts we just read to the modern-day reality of the landmark. Today, this incredible iron structure attracts millions of curious international visitors who want to see Paris from high above. This sentence shifts the focus to the present, describing the iron structure as a major attraction. It mentions that millions of international visitors travel there specifically because they want to see Paris from an elevated perspective. Now that we have the full context, let's move on to the sentences containing missing letters. Remember that these sentences build upon the ideas we just discussed, so use that logic to find the missing words. Engineers particular for problem. To find this verb, we look back at the historical context. The passage mentioned the tower was originally built in the past. Therefore, we need a past tense verb that describes the engineer's action, so the correct answer is used. Engineers used urchi. Here, we need to identify the material the engineers utilized. The text explicitly refers to the tower as an iron structure. Using this direct reference, the correct answer is iron. Engineers used iron to build Seine. We are looking for an adjective to describe the nature of the construction. Since the tower is a massive metal design meant to last, we need a word that implies strength. Consequently, the correct answer is sturdy. Engineers used iron to build sturdy mon, 70 to 1. This noun identifies what kind of object the tower is. The passage describes the iconic Eiffel Tower as a significant historical and cultural structure. Therefore, the correct answer is monuments. Large carrière. We need a noun that represents a large number of people. The text mentions millions of people coming to the site. This implies a massive group, so the correct answer is crowds. Large crowds of two. This word specifies the type of people visiting. The text refers to them as international visitors who travel to see the landmark. Based on this synonym, the correct answer is tourists. Large crowds of tourists, NN. This adverb indicates the time frame. The passage uses the word today to describe the current situation of the tower. To match this present-day context, the correct answer is now. Large crowds of tourists now surely see. See. We need a verb that describes what people do to reach the top. Since they want to see Paris from high above, they must ascend the structure. Thus, the correct answer is climb. Large crowds of tourists now surely climb to T. In this context, we need a definite article to point toward the specific visual experience mentioned. Following the logical flow of the sentence, the correct answer is the. Large crowds of tourists now surely climb to the SEAC. All this noun refers to what the visitors are looking at. The text says they want to see Paris from the top of the tower. This visual landscape is best captured by the word scenery, which is the correct answer. engineers, and to excel in the complete the words task, always prioritize the logical connections between sentences. Pay close attention to synonyms and time markers like today or originally to determine the correct tense and meaning. Consistent practice with these contextual clues will significantly improve your speed and accuracy on the TOEFL. Great job today!